Hello Internet world, this is Perlo4 with I have an '07 ZX6R here that I'm trying to troubleshoot. I started out replacing my sprocket, which has nothing to do with this problem, and I turned it on and everything worked out just fine, and it started up just great. And then I turned it off to maneuver in my driveway, and I turned the key back on and the gauge would not light up. It would just sit there and not respond. And my start button didn't work. I have the switch on to the right position, so I'm not that retarded, but I have the battery disconnected right now to show you. We do have 12 volts of power. I've been having this charge for the last, I don't know, probably 2 months now, just because I haven't really had a lot of time to focus on it. But you connect the battery. I have it disconnected right now, and you connect the battery, and the key is on, so it'll just act like you're turning the bike on. And the RPM gauge moves, and it does respond. I've also been able to, using the pinouts in the back, I was able to, using the troubleshooting guide, give power to the gauge itself, and everything lights up just fine if it's unplugged. And you get all the lights and the different black panels in there for the LCD will function, and it goes through its function check, and everything works out great. But when this is plugged in to the bike itself, nothing powers up except for that gauge when it's been disconnected for about a minute or so. I have the battery disconnected again, and I can connect it back together, and it'll do its little sweeping motion again. So I don't know if you have any input. I've replaced the ECU, and this is the new ECU. It's cleaner. I have two of them now, but didn't change anything at all. I've undid the ECU mod, thinking that I might have fried my ECU. That's why I purchased a new one, and I've undid that. I'm wondering if it could be this. Your right hand grip controls. That's your starter button and everything like that. I'm wondering if maybe something is short-circuiting in there, causing this to not power up, because these lap timers and the start and stop switch are part of the circuit there. So if anyone wouldn't mind disconnecting theirs and seeing if your gauge powers up, or I don't know, because I've disconnected my hand grips, the electrical connectors on both sides, and it still does not start up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. They're pretty stuck on there. But I've disconnected those, and I see no difference or no change to my gauge here. So yeah, if you have any input or anything, just go ahead and give me an email or post it on the forum or wherever I put this video. I guess some comments. That's what normal YouTubers say. So anyways, thanks a bunch.